EuRoC stands for European Robotics Challenges. This is a research project which was funded under the 7th Framework Programme by the European Commission. The project started in January 2014 and it will end in June 2018. What is EuRoC? EuRoC is built around the concept of three challenges. The first challenge is the reconfigurable interactive manufacturing cell. The second challenge is shop floor logistics and manipulation. And the third challenge is plant inspection and servicing. I think that the experiments that were funded by EuRoC were a sort of precursor, because most of the solutions, being use case driven, were customizable solutions in which the humans were able to develop a robotized solution in a sort according to the human-robot collaboration paradigm. At the end of the day, after 4 years and a half of work, I think that EuRoC project has been quite successful in achieving this on a systematic scale through the stages of competitions. So the 6 finalist teams have been invited to come to Napoli. They presented their results and there was a board of judges. The EuRoC winner, it's the team Flair.